Dear friends, welcome to Rama's Cooking World. Today let's see how to make a super moist chocolate cake without oven. Into a bowl, add 2 cups of milk and 3/4 cup of oil. Whisk until it is combined. Here comes the dry ingredients. Sift in 1½ cup of all-purpose flour, ½ cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Sift everything together. Now mix it well. Let's keep it aside. Into a bowl, add 2 eggs. Whisk until it's frothy. At this stage, start adding sugar gradually. Here I have taken 3/4 cup of sugar. Now as you can see, it has become pale in color and increased in volume. This is the consistency that we are looking for. Now, take half batch of prepared batter and some whisked eggs to combine. Fold it together until we get a ribbon consistency batter. Now into a greased pan, pour the batter. Tap it gently to remove air bubbles. Now into a preheated pan with salt and a stand, place the mold. After 25 minutes, you can see our cake is done. When it cools down completely, demold it. It's soft and spongy. Now for the ganache, take 1 teaspoon of gelatin and add 4 teaspoons of water. This is the perfect ratio for making a silky smooth ganache. Mix it gently and let it bloom for some minutes. And heat it over low heat until it is dissolved. Now, for making the ganache, into a double boiler system, add 1 cup of chocolate and 1 tablespoon of butter. Make sure that water does not touch the bowl surface. When the chocolate starts to melt, add ½ cup of cream. Mix until everything is melted and it's silky. Now remove from heat and don't let the chocolate curdle. Into this, add the dissolved gelatin. Mix it well. After this process, you can see your ganache looks more glossier. Now it's time to refrigerate it for 4 to 5 hours. Whip the chilled ganache until it becomes lighter in shade. Now you can see it's dark brown in color. After whipping further, it has turned into a lighter shade. And our chocolate ganache frosting is ready. Now let's start assembling. Spread some sugar syrup on top of our sponge cake. And layer it with some chocolate frosting. Here I am using a spoon to do it. If you have a palette knife, you can definitely use it. Now place the second layer of cake and repeat the same process. You can also use a silicone brush to spread the sugar syrup instead of a spoon. Here goes in one more layer of chocolate ganache. Spread it evenly throughout the cake. Top it with some beautiful cherries to make our cake more eye appealing. Let's enjoy this beautiful and delicious chocolate cake. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button too. Thank you everyone for watching and supporting us.